Hi, it's Dmitry Dimas at Dimas Woodworks. Today I'm going to show you a very simple trick how to sand drywall without any dust getting into your house. There are different ways that people do that. They tape the door, put some plastic over the door, or use some shop vac attachment. It is kind of pain in the butt though. I'm going to show you a much simpler trick how to do that. What you need to do is to create airflow from inside to outside. So for this purpose, you need a fan, round or square, and a window. By forcing air into the window, you will make sure there is no dust can get into the house. Make sure you install fan very close to the window. Okay, let's test it. I don't even have a door in this bathroom, it's just a drop sheet hanging. Let's try to turn the fan on and see what happens. Watch the drop sheet. Now your dust has no chance to get into the house for sure. Also, you get to work in a much cleaner environment because half of the dust will flow away before it even hits the floor. Let's take a look from outside. Good luck with your dusty jobs and thank you for watching.